A woman was waiting at an airport one night, with several long hours before her flight. She bought a bag of cookies and found a place to sit. Engrossed in her book, she noticed that the man sitting beside her grabbed a cookie from the bag in between them. She thought to herself, "If I weren't so nice, I would blacken his eye." With each cookie she took, he took one too. When only one was left, she wondered what he would do. With a smile on his face, he took the last cookie and broke it in half. He offered her half as he ate the other. She snatched it from him and thought, "Oh, brother, this guy has some nerve, and he's also rude." She sighed with relief when her flight was called. She gathered her belongings and headed to the gate, boarding the plane and sinking into her seat. As she reached into her baggage, she gasped with surprise. There was her bag of cookies right in front of her eyes. "If mine are here," she moaned in despair. The others were his, and he tried to share. Too late to apologize, she realized with grief that she was the rude one, the ingrate, the thief. Before you get angry, think about it. Maybe you are the one who is wrong. If you're not following me, you're probably never going to see me again. If you're, then congratulations, you're growing every day.